Hello everyone, welcome to Tasty Bong Foods. Today we'll learn how to cut onion like professional. And believe me, by the end of the video, you will be able to at least cut onion in different kind of shapes, if not as a professional chef. So basic requirement is an onion, a sharp knife and a cutting board. To begin with, let's learn how to hold a knife. It's very essential to hold a knife and hold the onion, vegetable too, whatever you are cutting. Be very sure to hold your knife firmly and hold the vegetable, otherwise you will chop up your finger and you'll hurt yourself. So first of all, we'll cut the onion into two halves, then we'll give small cuts on the both end, stem end and root end. An onion has two ends. Not going to the much technicalities, let us first peel up the cover. Now see, half onion can be settled down on the cutting board very nicely. Now hold an onion like this. It will minimize the chance of cutting your fingers. Now slide gently. You can slide forward or backward also, as you like. Simply slide your knife and it will cut the onion in a nice shape. Click in the description box for several links for other recipes of our channel. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Now you can just turn the onion to have a different shape also. Use these sliced onion in masala, curry and all type of Indian cookings, and I must tell you that in Indian cooking, onion is a very important ingredient. This kind of slices you can use for salsa or julienne. You can use these half slices in salad also. For the raita you have to chop your onion. So I will show you how to chop also. So two types of cut already you have done. Now I will go for the third one. Now for the third cut, let's chop up the stem side and the root side of an onion. And peel up the cover. You can give a small cut so it will help you to remove the cover. You can click in the description box for the affiliate link of knife and other utensils we use in our cooking. After removing cover, we'll cut this onion in a roundel shape. That means round shape. For different kind of onion salads or decoration, roundel shape is essential. And if you hold it nicely and slide, you can slide your knife properly, you can have good shaped roundel. I don't think it's that much difficult. What do you see? Now we have the third and the fourth cut also. I'll take another onion. Now it's time for the dice cuts. You'll have three kind of dice cuts. You can have petal also. You just chop up the onion in half and separate them. Now it's time for dice cut. First is the small diced. It's medium dice cut. You have just two cuts on horizontal side and three on vertical. You can separate them, it will look nice. For all kinds of Chinese dishes, you can use them. Now it's the bigger dice. Just chop up from the center. Just give a cut on the root side. It will be easier to remove or separate the petals. So now we have 7 types, 7 cuts. Now going for the final and the most difficult cuts. It's a chopping of onion. Initially we are given 3 cuts. Now just turn around, given 3 cuts, again turn around, given 3 cuts, and now to the 4th side, final side. It's looking clumsy, but it's not that much. Just now hold firm, just cut from center. Hold the onion nicely and simply glide as near as possible. The fine you can cut, the finely chopped onion you'll get. There are several other techniques to chop off, but I use this one and it gives us very smooth chopped onion, finely chopped onion. Now cut the other half. Be careful about your fingers. So, as the first cut, that is bigger dice cut, medium dice cut, small dice cut, is the roundels. Like the salsa cut, finely chopped. You can chop finer also. And the julienne cut. Now you have learned 8 types of onion cuts. There are several other hacks or cooking hacks we have uploaded in our channel. For that video, I've given a link in the I button. Please view over that video also for the cooking hacks. And we have also uploaded video for cutting potato finger chips, different kinds of potato cut, different kinds of tomato cut, different kinds of vegetable cut also video loaded. Please click on the channel video links and view all those videos. And don't forget to comment whether you are liking our video or not.